Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good. Before we dive into the video, I want to remind you that you can learn without any payment right here on this channel. That's right. All my videos are completely free for you to watch and learn from. And don't worry, subscribing is absolutely free. Just hit that subscribe button and join our growing community of learners. Let's get started now. I'm going to show you the scripting learning agenda. So from the scratch to the and like a pro. Okay. So what all the topics included. Okay. So what all the topics we are going to cover in this series, in the scripting series. Okay. So I will show you now. Okay. So if you are looking to master ServiceNow scripting, whether it's client scripts, business rules, glide record, or glide ajax, you are in the right place. In this brand new series, we will break down scripting from basic to advanced with real world examples and hands on labs in your PDI. Stick around because by the end, you will be writing scripts like a pro. Let's dive in. What is ServiceNow scripting? ServiceNow scripting is all about automating processes, customizing forms, and integrating data using JavaScript. It's what makes ServiceNow so powerful. Scripts can run on server like client record, business rules, or the client side like G underscore form, G underscore user, glide ajax. Whether you are an admin, developer, or just curious, scripting is a must known skill. So, what will this series cover? So, here, what you will learn in this series. The first one is JavaScript fundamentals. So, it is a prerequisite for ServiceNow scripting. So, in this series, in these sections, okay, we are going to cover like introduction to JavaScripts, inside that variables, data types, operators, and then control structures like condition statements, if, else, switch, loops for while, do while, functions, function declarations versus expressions, arrow functions, callback functions, all different kind of functions, object and arrays, object properties and methods, array methods. So a lot of people stuck here, okay, like how to call the objects from the script include to client side, how to push the data into arrays, how to get the data from the arrays. So a lot of people are stuck here. Okay, this is the main topic. Error handling, try catch, finally. Okay, and continuation like ServiceNow scripting basis. So introduction to ServiceNow scripting, client side versus server side scripting, scripting locations in ServiceNow, client scripts, business rules, script includes, etc. So glide system, API, GS API, server side APIs. Okay. So gs.getUser, gs.getUser ID, gs.log. So all the methods we'll be learning in deep. Glide record, how to query the record, how to delete, how to update, how to read. Okay, so all kind of glide record we will be seeing, and glide form, glide users, server client side APIs. So advanced scripting like script includes, how to create a script includes, classless script include, class script includes, how to call script includes in different ways. Business rules, before, after, all type of business rules, and the difference between the current and previous objects, client scripts, on load, on change, on submit, UI policies and actions, ACLs, glide ajax, okay, scripting scheduled jobs, fixed scripts, running scripts, background scripts, all these things, and debugging and best practices. So what are the debugging techniques? How do we debug in the server side and client side? How to write scripting in the best practice ways? What are the things we need to avoid? What are the things we need to include? How do we write? How do we optimize the performance? Okay, so it should not cause the performance issues while writing the scripts. So how do we do the best practices, all these things? Okay, so all these topics we are going to learn from the scratch. So I may say there are some topics, okay, on the overall, but inside each topic, we'll be learning lot of things from the scratch and like a pro, okay, like a pro, from the basics to pro, in a simple words. So if you learn these things, then you will be in very good knowledge. You will have very good knowledge in the scripting. So that is what the agenda of this video. So who is this for? This series is perfect for beginners new to scripting. You can start here. Admins want to automate tasks, advanced scriptings you can refer. Developers looking for master glide record or Ajax, you can learn. Anyone preparing for certifications or anyone want to prepare anything, like for anyone, the basic thing is for anyone they can learn. Okay, if you are interested to learn, okay, if that's you, okay, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss a video. Okay, so tools you need is, before we start, make sure you have your personal ServiceNow developer instance. Okay, it's free. If you don't know what is ServiceNow PDI, so check in the description that you will have a link and you register for the ServiceNow instance. And you should have the basic ServiceNow JavaScripts. Okay, so in this series, I'll be teaching the basic JavaScripts also. And you should have a practice mindset and notepad. So here, this is important. Okay, watching the videos is not going to help you anywhere. Okay, watching the video, you will get like 10% of knowledge, but 90% of knowledge is your efforts. You need, while watching the video or while reading any document or while doing anything, you should practice what you learn. If it is simple script or a complex script or whatever it is, you should learn. And you should write in the paper, not in the notepad. Okay, with the pen and with your hand. Okay, so then only you will remember and you will get to know the things easily. Okay, so without this mindset, okay, so don't watch in the mobile phones, watch in the laptop and in the browser. You have a new PDI instance and practice and sit for a 1 hour or daily for 1 hour or half an hour, whatever the time you have in the free time, but sit with the practice mindset. Okay, so don't just watch. So in the next video, like what's next? In the next video, we will start with JavaScript basics, everything you need for ServiceNow scripting. If you are excited, drop a comment below. Let me know what scripting topics you would like to see. Thanks for watching. Okay, so drop me or send me an if you have any questions or anything you want, so I can answer you for free. Okay, so you can reach me on my Instagram or my email. Okay, so if I am free, then I will reply you back. Thank you. Don't miss out on the latest videos. All my videos are completely free for you to watch and learn from. Subscribing is absolutely free. Just hit that subscribe button and join our growing community of learners. If you ever have any questions or just want to connect, feel free to reach out to me on my Instagram. I would love to hear from you. Thank you.